This is the ELA activity list for the week of January 16th, and it ends this Friday, January 19th. The first one says required 3 times 20 minutes, read to self, and practice your power goal. Don't forget to check the box every time you do this. For work on writing this week, required for 15 minutes, it says scan and listen to the QR code, Timeline of My Life. Then fill out the Timeline of My Life worksheet in the resource area. Don't forget to use complete sentences. Optional is, using a blank sheet of paper, create another timeline of your life with at least 5 events. These are both independent. Reflect when you're finished. For read to someone this week, you're going to do by using a timeline paper from the resource area. This is independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. For listen to reading this week, it says listen to a story on Raz Kids on your level. What is the title? Write down the title on the line. Take the quiz. Write down your score. Don't forget to write down your score on the line. Independent, 15 minutes. Reflect when you're done. For foundational skills this week, the green readers are doing the cut and paste worksheet. Blue readers are doing the drop the Y worksheet. Red readers are doing Mad Libs worksheet, and white readers are doing the Mad Libs worksheet. Required for 20 minutes. Independent. Reflect when you're done. In social studies this week, it says, read pages 64 to 67 in the Social Studies Alive textbook. So you need to get the textbook from your classroom and turn to page 64 to read. Or you can scan the QR code and listen to pages 64 to 67 in the Social Studies Alive book. This is 15 minutes on your own or with a pair. Reflect when you're done. The next activity says required 15 minutes. Complete the How Did People in Our Country Live Long Ago table in the resource area. Independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. Good luck this week.